Hello everyone. So in today's tutorial we are going to design a birthday flyer. So I believe you all have your CorelDRAW installed on the system. So before we start, you have to open your CorelDRAW and set up your page dimension, which we are going by 10 by 10. 10 by 10. Come to your property bar, click on to page. We have on your left side on the tools bar, you double click on the rectangle shape. I don't know the particular CorelDRAW you are using. 2019, 2021 doesn't have this feature, but I'm using 2024, so I think they have the features. And we have, so I have the folder now. I'm going to bring it and I'm going to drop the link to the folder in the comment section or in the bio. So we are working with this, so I'm importing them, those images, working with those images. As you can see, yes. So we have the text and the resource file. Now, so on the first side, we are going to bring this one in. Where is the background? I really didn't follow it. It's like I forget to move it. You see now, but let me take it again. So I have to increase it. I will power clip it. I'm going to power clip it inside the shape tool. Click on the power clip and you make it big. So the next thing we are going to do, we are going to effect, go to your blur, Gaussian blur, and make the values 16.3 and scale it a little bit. Finish power clip. So the next thing we are going to do is to take this other background in. That's what I was looking for. I'll delete it. To take this in and power clip it again. You reduce the side. You come to your bitmap, come to your mode. We are going to change it to gray color. Change it to gray. Come to your transparency tool, your merge mode. You will see, let's change it to screen. Let's check. Okay, it's a little bit okay, but we are going to blend it first. So let's put it to normal. You click on your rectangle, your transparency tool, hold your shift key so that I can blend it because of the edge. So you blend bitmap. Now you come to your merge mode. Let's use overlay now. Soft light. So we reduce the value and see. Yeah, I think that is okay. So the next thing, we are going to take this image in, power clip it. So you take this in, you scale it down, centralize it, take it up, scale it down a little bit. So you right click and power clip it. Yeah. So I will scale it up small. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to bring this other one in, this other image. I'm going to power clip it and scale it down. Come to your effect, bitmap, your mode. You're going to change it to gray color again. So click on your gray color, change it. So the next thing, you have to hold your control and page it down so you can be behind the picture. Sorry. So undo. So we are going to mirror it. Change the mirror. Take it a little bit up and right click on the picture. You see other, click on behind, make it behind the picture, take it a little bit this way. So after that, I finish power click. So the next thing we are going to bring in is this our flex light, this lens effect. You reduce the size, and change the merge mode to screen. Think it's okay? Think it's okay. So we reduce the size, it's too big. Yeah, I think that's okay. And if you look at this, the thing is outline our page, so we have to use your crop tool or shape tool. So I'm using shape tool to reduce the size because of how big it is. So the next background is to be this. Let's increase it to create more effects. So increase it, you click your transparency tool, you blend from this side, you bitmap, same thing here, same thing, bitmap, same thing here, you bitmap, same thing on the bottom, you bitmap, and we reduce it, take it this way. Yeah, so we click on transparency tool and change it to screen or overlay. Yeah, screen is okay. Let's increase it a little bit here. So we copy it and drag it to the other side. Yeah, so this person, make this one bigger a little bit, bring it down. There's something I'm supposed to do to this other image, I forgot. You have to blend it. So click on your transparency tool and drag it down, drag and blend the image. Yeah, I think that is okay. We have this. So let's move to the next step. And the text we are going to use, let me bring them in, move this into it. So these are the text we are going to use. Let me copy it out, delete, increase, but we are not done yet. There's still a lot of things we are going to do. So we're going to copy this background, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, and blend it. So I'll move it down because I don't want the text we are going to add to be fighting with the background. So do it this way. So let's check. I think that is okay. That's okay. Or your shift key when you are dragging. So yes. So we have this now. So the first thing is the name. I'll cut the name and put it here. Yeah. So the name of the font is Winsberg. So I'm dropping the name in the comment section. You go to my YouTube channel and download it because I can't add it here. Winsberg. Yeah. So make it white. Omotoyo. And reduce it. Then the next thing we have to calculate this background in, reduce the size to add more effects. So we have to blend the edges by going to your transparent tool, drag it up, take it down, you bitmap, alternate B, convert to bitmap, the same thing to the other side, bitmap, alternate B, change the blend mode to screen, and we have this. We have to reduce the value, make it 43 or 50. So I think that is okay. So I think that is okay. Keep it down small. Now the next thing, we have to bring this our palm tree leaf in, but with this it can't go because everything we have here is gray and red, so we have to change it to gray by going to your bitmap, your mode, come to your grayscale, click on gray, and we have this. I think it's perfect. So we power clip it inside, edit power clip. We now reduce the size and place it one side. Yeah, I think that's okay. So I think we should mirror it because the other side, I think it's okay now. We increase the size a little bit. Come to your transparent tool, change it to overlay. Nice. Okay. So the name, we are going to change the first capital letter to the first word to initial capital, Amotayo. So next thing is the happy birthday. You have to cut the happy birthday out, bring it, step this one down, Ctrl R, change the font to Tragite. So I think, yeah, let's use the Pro. The font is not down our so font. We should use static. I think it's like I don't have the font anymore. Static. So let's go with this, please. We reduce this and reduce the spacing. Make it white. Reduce the font, the size, and increase this way. So I think that is okay. Let's take it up a little bit. We have this now. So the next one is going to be the date, February 19. Step it down, make it white. This, let me find how you can get font. You come to Google, you type the name of the top and the font. Let me check the name of the font. Static Sandbox. So let's check together. So I don't have the font, so I have to paste it here and look for it. Static Sound font. So you click here. Yeah, the font is available here. So you click on download full. It's downloading. So I've downloaded the font. The next thing now is for to install it. So I'm opening it. I'm going to cut it and install it to in the folder. Let me install it in my font folder. I have this font now. Static Sound. I have the font. Static Sound. I have the font. Yeah, I have the font. I have it. So if you don't have it, you can go ahead and download it the way I show you there. So it's too thick. Let me use something. Yeah, I think this demo is okay. I have to increase the line spacing back and change it to uppercase. Sorry, Ctrl A, right click, change uppercase. I think this is okay, and I'll reduce the font to maybe 50. The value should be 50. I will take this up a little bit. Yeah, so I'll still look for the thicker one of this static font. Let's go with this. Let's go with this. I think this is better. This is better. So the next thing, the same thing here. We drag and copy your property. Make sure they are the same. You take it here. You bring it down. You reduce the font like 16 and put it here. So the next thing we are going to do, let's increase it a little bit. So the next thing we are going to do is to bring the edge on our, where is it? So I have to go back. I'm sorry for all this. That's what you have to pass through. You paste, bring it back. So now we have this, because if I'm working with date and age, sometimes I do use these images. So what you have to do, you have to click on your cycle, that is your ellipse tool, hold your Ctrl key and draw a shape, centralize it, make sure say they are centralized well, make sure they are centralized well properly. So the next thing now, I have to paste this one back, sorry, paste down, let it go behind. Every other place is okay now, but this particular side is not right. So do the same thing. You power click, with right click and power click. Remove the outline. That's perfect. So you take it to the side of the image, bring it here, increase it. We are going to make use of it with the edge. So you bring the edge here, 45, cut it, paste it here, 45, make use of the font. Sorry, my hand is paining me. You come to the font, you use the font, sorry, demo. Let's change the font. If it's not working, let me use Monstera. So I should use this one, 45. I think this is okay. So we centralize it. It's too big. So the next thing, we have to curve this so that we can place an object in. Curve this, Ctrl Q. We are going to paste it inside the font. It's not easy to reach area of 50. So we have to do something demure for the mouse. So we increase it and be careful so that it will not go out of point. You reduce the size of the texture. Click, finish editing. I don't like this. Maybe take it to the other side. I think it should be okay. Yeah. So the next thing is to come in with this. And paste it. So we are going to centralize it. We'll come to this place and center alignment. Reduce the font size, make it white. Hold your shift key, change the font. So maybe we still use Monstera medium, Monstera semi-bold. Yeah, I think it's okay. I think this is okay. Centralize. bring this one down, take this one up a little bit, take it up again, take this up again. We have this. So the next thing we are going to do, we have to work with this lens again. So you rotate it, maybe you give it 50, no, it should be 90. The value should be 90. Yeah, perfect. So you reduce the size. You're going to add it to the edge of this our icon. So you reduce the size, you centralize it with it. So you have to blend it, the two sides, you have to blend it so that I will not see this line out. So you have the first side, you do the same thing here, blend it down, map it, and change the blend mode to screen. And we have this, perfect. So you do the same thing, you copy this to this side, copy it to this side. We have this now. So the next thing we are going to do is for us to add this other background to this. Do you like what you are seeing? The answer is everything has covered up, so we have to do something now and to add some effect to the design. So we have to increase it, come to your blend mode and come here, change it to screen. If you like, and reduce the size. If you like, and leave it that way, depending on how you want it. So you have this effect on the design. So I believe you have been seeing some effects like this on some people design and wondering how you can do it. I'll show you today. So do me a favor by liking, comment, and follow the page. As you are supporting me, I'm also supporting you. This is the only way you can support me, by like and comment. You share to the others. So I forget, you have to remove this outline to none. So you have the next thing now, you have to crop this, or use your shape tool to crop this out. I'm going to drop the link, and if you didn't see it, just chatted me up. Drop the comment on the page. Let me know, and you tell me what you think about the design, if it's okay, and if there is any way you want me to improve, should improve on it. This design is for picture, just design for practice people. It's not really bad, so I just designed to you can teach people. So you tell me what to learn from it, and like, share, and follow for more. Thank you.